Welcome, everyone, to a comprehensive journey into the world of MongoDB. In this video, we'll unravel the intricacies of MongoDB, from its core principles to real-world applications. Let's begin. MongoDB, often hailed as the developer's database, emerged in response to the limitations of traditional relational databases. Founded on the principles of flexibility and scalability, MongoDB has become the go-to choice for developers seeking efficiency and adaptability. As we delve into MongoDB's origin story, it's essential to understand how it accommodates the ever-changing needs of modern applications. Now, let's explore MongoDB's fundamental concepts. MongoDB stores data in JSON-like documents, a structure known as BSON. This allows for a dynamic and nested schema, enabling developers to work with evolving data models seamlessly. MongoDB's flexible schema accommodates changes in data structure without requiring a predefined schema, providing unparalleled agility in development. Enough theory, let's put our knowledge into practice with a hands-on demonstration. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, MongoDB's user-friendly interface and expressive query language make it accessible for all. We'll execute queries, insert data, and witness real-time interactions, showcasing MongoDB's simplicity and power. Applications of MongoDB. MongoDB's versatility extends far beyond the confines of traditional databases. Let's explore its applications across diverse industries. From powering e-commerce platforms to managing healthcare records, MongoDB's impact is felt across the spectrum, driving innovation and efficiency. Security considerations in MongoDB. In an era where data security is paramount, MongoDB prioritizes robust security measures. MongoDB encrypts data both in transit and at rest, ensuring confidentiality. Authentication processes, role-based access control, and auditing features provide a multi-layered security framework, meeting the highest industry standards. Your data remains safe and secure, even in the face of evolving cybersecurity threats. As we conclude, let's recap the key points that make MongoDB a cornerstone in modern database management. From its dynamic document-oriented storage to real-world applications and robust security measures, MongoDB continues to revolutionize the way we handle and interact with data. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth exploration of MongoDB. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more detailed dives into the world of technology.